Just one time, me and him have my boyfriend something. And when him come, never want to come in my mouth.
We touch one of the nearest family girl.
What is the deepest, darkest secret? No master!
Blazing because it's OTP down.
Yeah, people, so when they went down again, that episode. Oh, another episode. Our first episode. What's your style?
The one in name. Tell me your deepest, darkest secret.
Yeah, now you take receipt. You can't read, no?
No.
Share, comment, and subscribe. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Every time.
Every day.
Every hour.
Every minute.
Every second.
Every day. Come here, my boss. You will like that.
Them say you're a batty man, right? They say you're bow brother, you're stain.
Yeah, and I place and when I have time for waste, we just go and chase now. When I chase,
make sure you like,
comment,
share the video.
Is it?
Comment if you don't want part 2. Never said that part 8. Comment if you don't want part 2. Like up the video if you don't love it. Make this reach 10,000 likes.
Yeah, cause my chest big. Watch out now.
Tell me darkest secret.
Tell me darkest secret.
So, I would like to get tied up, like.
Strangle me and tie me up.
Tie up. And get fucked. No, me I walk away. Bye, guys.
Yeah, show them the body jar them. Jesus Christ. What is your deepest, darkest secret?
Hey, so I got my ex name tattooed on me while I was with my boyfriend because my thing say that would I make with their back.
Hey yo, what the fuck?
So you go look for your ex?
No.
Sneaky link with the ex?
No.
Sneaky link with nobody while you're there?
No.
Do not sneaky link at all?
No.
Later.
That's enough people. Jeez, and people have some secret out there.
So
yeah.
Why should I do that though?
So hold on, you cover it up? I'm still there. Oh. Okay. Alright, you cover it up, people. Tell the people.
Family don't tell me, so I know where I'm going. I have to say party still, but we touch one of the nearest family girl.
Oh, I can't believe you've done this.
Yeah, me not going to full story still.
No, you're not. Why something else?
Eh? If me want to say something else, my next darkest secret. Charge me, I told them there, but you see, you don't really talk about anything there.
You want to
When I bad one them, man.
Yeah.
And I'm very lucky.
You need to turn a Burger King.
Yo, what is the deepest, darkest secret?
Wanting to sell my soul.
So you make this in your face?
It's not really matter, I'm happy for me 6'6".
No master!
With my mug on me.
Oh, DD, oh, what it is? Bye, Shanique.
Alright, now, Shanique.
Yeah. Bro. Later.
What is the deepest, darkest secret?
My heart a beat different.
That was spicy.
Me not nothing like that. But me don't have no deep with that.
That's what happened before, isn't me? Ex-man get bun.
Well,
Oh shit. Here we go again.
I had a relationship where me the end up cheat back on him. But I know my fault.
At the moment, it was a long distance relationship. None of them never better. At the moment, me not doing none of them. So somebody special take the place right now. So yeah. Right now, my boss a call me. Alright.
Fuck off.
What is your deepest, darkest secret?
Hey. This one.
So spicy, you know.
Deepest,
And nobody know, you know.
deepest, darkest secret when nobody don't know Father God. You know, some love chat do one time. One time, you see, me and one guy did. We never know, you know. In my defense, we never know it was a church. We never know it was a church.
Okay.
And you know, going a pump, and them did rebuke quick.
The blood.
Yeah.
Them catching up, them catching up.
Yeah, them catch up. Never knew it was a church. I never know, I swear. I never know.
So which church that?
God, why you gonna stop him, sir?
I want church at Mandeville. I'm not talking about church.
You know that is church?
So I say you go on.
Yeah, mama, just say the blood of Jesus. Me frightened. Me really fall me dress. The blood of Jesus. One more deepest secret.
Something nobody never know for your boy.
You know, so one time, me and him have my boyfriend something. And when him come, I never want to come in my mouth. And me move too soon. Jesus Christ, and up in my nose it go. Come on, I was drowned.
Please help me.
Come on, me there so today. Oh my God, what? No, sir.
You got one.
You know what I see your face?
Dog is secret, man.
Tell him.
You know, say, I use my auntie to brush it toilet, though.
So
Say, do you and me say done, man? Big up for yourself. Why I do that? You know, say me a pick me one day. My friend them come check and this woman run out with and whip, but go in.
Right now, one night time, them if you beat one girl, see me, I was there in a classroom.
School you talk with them?
Yeah, man. So what my dog there to do, I watch. You see me, if nobody are forward. Oops, now me there and there, me have finger arms, go sub oops now. So one teacher run come. By the time I look, me just go sub oops and drop on his chair, you see me, and sit down. Oops, mom's just over the corner and I watch. Teacher come in and say, "Oh, you, principal, did want me boy, and I go call the principal." So my boss style and I say, "Me, miss, principal, want about me." A joke, yeah, mate, man.
So that's the idea that I can see. No one know about that.
One of them, you see me.
Stop the cap.
Alright.
Alright.
Yeah. Alright, teacher, him, you know. So, you can't tell the principal. Principal, and this are you, you need.
No,
Still go to school?
no, sir.
You're not going to school? You're not worried, man.
No, sir, I left school, you know. Yeah, so the people want to go over my YouTube channel, go subscribe to Pr3zid3nt upcoming artist, you see me?
One day, you know, I live on a NZZ. I dog a Friday, you know, I dog get pay and things. So I say, we get a 5 bills. I say, nah, no money. So I say, I get a 5 bills, no, bro. No, see, you get paid. So what go on? He must say, I'm going to be in a circle box. So right time, I'll be there and fall back out now, clean and everything. See, man, step out clean, back pocket fat. So I say, alright. I say, alright. See that drop out 5 dog us there, deep in your pocket and drop out 5 grand. So I say, I say, you're broke. I say, alright, wait there. Take up your meat, walk like my shoes, me and clean off and take up here and shove in my pocket, man, and step off. And I say, what going on? I want a juice. I hear, say, you have money now. I say, yeah, man, just get 5 grand, man. Here, what go on? So we get a 2 grand, and I say, search your pocket, man. You search your pocket, and say, you have change to you, know. All of a sudden, you have all cash. Man, say, wait there. Can't find 5 grand. I say, you know, I say, I don't have no money, though. I don't have no money, man. You want a juice here, man? I say, yeah, man. I say, alright, all a juice, nothing wrong. After I'm spending half a whole lot of money with him, I just tell him, say, yo, alright, 5 grand that, man. Come on, man.
Okay, dog. The man go.
I say, page, viral. Yeah, page, what's your name again? Statical boss, viral, statical viral boss.
Statical boss.
Yeah.
Statical viral boss.
Yeah, man, remember my company try on night time, boss.
Bun, fire.
Fire.
When me almost get fuck a white girl and she tell me about Ray, she love watch gay porn. That kill me, brother. That kill me right there, so. Not a pussy. No, sir. They find out that kill me, brother. That's the only secret me have right now. I can't tell you.
Once if you want to go to the back door.
Back door, your pussy.
Oh. Walk over here, shoot in my face. Walk over here, shoot in my face.
Oh, the walk off.
Walk over, man.